Let's crochet a tail of baby bunny. Round 1. Start 5 single crochet stitches in magic ring. Pick up the white yarn. Loop it once around your middle finger. Hold onto that intersection point with your thumb. Grab onto the yarn. And if you did everything correctly at this point, you can let go of your piece and everything would stay intact. The first single crochet stitch in magic ring finished. Take the stitch marker in the first stitch. Now, let's crochet the second single crochet stitch. Now crochet the third single crochet stitch. The fourth single crochet stitch. The fifth one. Let's crochet round 2. Start 5 single crochet stitches. When we pull the yarn tail, the whole of the magic ring in round 1 will disappear. Firstly, we need to take off the stitch marker in round 1. The first single crochet stitch in round 2 finished. Use the stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. Now, we will crochet the second single crochet stitch. The third one. Now what we are crocheting is the fourth SC stitch. The fifth one. Okay, 5 single crochet stitches finished. And leave a long tail for sewing. Remove the stitch marker and the tail of baby bunny finished.